Hey everybody, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to edit keyframes in Adobe Premiere Pro. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time in Adobe Premiere Pro, just click the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Editing keyframes in Adobe Premiere Pro is a simple process that allows you to fine-tune animations, effects, and transitions. Once you are logged into your Adobe Premiere Pro account or the software that has already been opened, I want you to go to the video or photo or clip that you wanted to edit the keyframes. Basically, when you click that, you should be able to go to the editing section, because from here, this is where you can edit the keyframe if you haven't already. You have the position, scale, rotation, anchor point, and anti-flicker filter. You see, if you change your position right here and you change that, if you click this small button, that would give you one keyframe, right? Essentially, if you want to edit that, all you're gonna do is change the position right here. For example, this, all right, right here. Click on the keyframe, and this will delete the existing keyframes. Click on OK, and that would give you an option for you to edit the keyframe now here. All right, so that's that. Click on that. You also have an option to scale it up. If you do that, make it a little bit bigger. Now put in another keyframe. You see this one right here. For the rotation, you can also do that as well. And add a keyframe. Similarly to the anchor point, say for example this, you can add that. So these are going to be your 4 keyframes, which is part of your animation. All right, so that's that. Now, if you click on play right here, you would notice that it requires you to put an animation first. All right. If you go to the effects section, you can have all these effects for you to use and utilize. Right here, you can add the video effects or transitions. Maybe effects. For example, this. Paste it to your video right here. Click on it. Should be able to use it and edit the keyframes alongside with the video effects that you have chosen here in Adobe Premiere Pro. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next one.